Hey guys, this is Fuzzbuzz. Fuzzbuzz is in quarantine here and it's locked down, so we can't go out anywhere, and I get really bored. So I take off some random parts off my bike and I just paint them. So here's one that I did yesterday, just the bracket that holds my back end of my exhaust onto the chassis, and it was looking quite, you know, worse for wear. So I gave it a light sand and gave it a bit of a paint job, and there you go, have a look at that, come up really nice. I'll put that on over the weekend. And also, again, here's another part that I'm about to do now. As you can see, it looks kind of a little bit worn out and not so healthy, so I'll give this a bit of a quick sand and a bit of a wet sand and give it a paint, and hopefully it'll look brand new and put it back on again. In quarantine, what else can you do? Eat, drink, sleep and paint motorbike parts. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and plenty more videos to come. Cheers. A bit of elbow grease. You need a bit of elbow grease. So it's come up really nice and smooth. I mean, there wasn't really that much, it was just a bit of wear and tear. So I thought, it's a 1200 sandpaper, wet sandpaper. So now it's really nice and smooth in my hand. Still looks like a little bit of rust there. Okay, now, because I live in an apartment, I don't have a garage, so I'm out on the balcony and I've sanded this little thing here, my little part. It's all nice and smooth. Now it comes time to paint it. So, just going to hook it up like that and grab my spray paint and off I go. You're buzzing with the fuzz, just like that. And that's it. There you go. Bob's your uncle. Well, Bob's not my uncle, but this time Bob's my uncle, that's for sure. A little touch up here. And that's all she wrote. Bang! Being buzzed by the fuzz. Fuzzbuzz. There you go. I got it hanging. Fuzzbuzz. Here are the end products of my boredom. So when I was bored, I told you I take off parts and I paint them for the bike, and just wanted to show you the end products. I think I should have been a painter. I took off the foot pegs, gave them a really good clean, gave them a good paint, took off the brackets for the back foot pegs, as you can see, shiny. This is the bracket for the exhaust at the back. Oh, man. Bob's me uncle for sure, I reckon. Bob's me uncle. You've been buzzed by the fuzz.